Hi guys, welcome back to yet another installation. So today we are going to be installing a colored wig on my beautiful muse. Here we are going in to clean out the edges and use some alcohol, and here I am going in with my Skin Protect. After which we are going in with my glue. Today I am going to be using the Love Beauty glue. This is one of my fave brands to work with. Yeah, as we all know, I do not like to use too much glue on models, so I'm going to just use one layer because I want to be able to take out the hair at the end of the day very easily without any stress. So yes, I am applying my glue in thin layers. If you still have issues with knowing how to cut out the ear, melt your laces, install your lace on yourself, we are going to be having an online class from the 24th to the 26th of May, and we are going to be teaching all these in the online class. So you can sign up, link is in my bio and also in the description box. Our online classes are always in-depth and interactive. You do not want to miss out on it. So guys, here I am taking out the excess hair. And this is me just going in to pluck a little bit, not so much. Here I am going in with my glue to fill up the spaces. Now while doing this, you have to do it carefully because it's very easy to apply the glue over where the lace is going to stop. So you want to be careful in order not to surpass exactly where your lace is going to stop. You want to do it on the line, so you're looking from above the lace to make sure where you're putting your glue there's always going to be a lace to cover it. smoothing out the edges, I am using my holding spray before I go in to use my melting spray to seal up the edges and melt down the lace. What lace, guys? My melt spray is from Love Beauty hair products. I am spraying into the cover and using my brush to apply. Always make sure your brushes are clean. For my parting, I am going to be using the Beauty by AD to line my parts. So we decided to do a half up, half down hairstyle. This wig is from Exclusive Hair by D. I am going to be leaving their link in the description box below. You can send them a DM on Instagram to copy yours. Guys, is it just me or this hairline actually ate? If you're feeling this hairline, guys, just drop a love below. Let me know how many people are into this hairline. Guys, just look at that melt. Isn't it giving? My heat protect from Love Beauty hair product as well before curling the hair, of course, to protect the wig from heat damage. Before we come to the end of today's video, have you subscribed to my channel? Guys, don't leave without subscribing to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to like this video. Drop a sweet comment in the comments box below. And if you have any suggestions on what you want me to post about, any topics you guys want to see on my channel, you can drop them in the comments box below and I would be glad to work towards filming those contents for you guys. I still have a lot more videos coming up which I have already filmed, so in order not to miss out on those, turn on the notification bells and you'll be among the first people to be notified once I drop a video. This is the finished look, guys. How do you love this look? Don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends and family, and guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.